Turn me up. Lit, yeah. We lit, on gas, that's a quick trip, yeah. That's a split, what up, sing your best friend. That's a big fit, with a big old booty and some big tit, sit with it. Don't gas me up, don't gas me up, don't gas me up, don't gas me up, cause we lit as fuck, we lit as fuck, we lit as fuck, cause we lit as fuck, don't gas me up, don't gas me up, don't gas me up, don't gas me up, cause we lit as fuck, lit as fuck.
Somebody pull me up some more. Put this shit in my gut till I can't sleep on it no more. Don't want to remember many times I could've upped the score. Cause I still want this baby, but I know it's a bad one, Don't wanna talk about it, don't wanna be around nobody. With this girl I'm going crazy, I'm not talking Illuminati. Love and hate, but I like how she pursue my body. With no doubt in my mind, I promise that girl she get naughty. Yeah, we both grown in one equals two. Shame to say I love that I really thought you. I was rooting for us, baby, but we never fucking grew. It's time to let it go after everything we been through. I'm vibing by myself, I'm chilling in my room. I saw these bitches don't come in cause I ain't got no fuck room. I say to myself, I've been in my bed, but I ain't lonely, dude. I put the place on the table cause I need some fucking food. Eating coffee, she told me I saw the bust it open and just make some time for me. When I pull up on her, I know she gon' tell me have a seat. But this shit so toxic, it just reminded me. It's why I gotta fucking leave, yeah. I gotta reload this bitch, I gotta full clip. Tell that bitch I pop up on me, I do a full split. She don't wanna see me act crazy, I'm on my toes quick. She gon' think I'm fucking tripping when I get up on my shit.
Right now. Here you go. At the end of the day, it's a game I do believe in. So yeah, that's what we finna do. We finna crank up.
Baby, what about
I try to see myself, she wanna see my past. Tell her I've been lying, they said I hope in class. Yeah. She fine, she had friends. I'm trying to play like night don't I made it deep in the West End. Pull up the street, I'm flexing. She want the deep, don't say shit. Hold out, I'll be protesting. Without the rubber investment, pull a bottle, she got me stressing. Can't take it. Hold on, I said you can. Let's go. Hey, look, 2 days in, I hit back to back, guess what that did? See the ass back to the trash. She wanted more, but I cannot give. Baby girl, you a distraction. I'm trying to tap on your back here, hit it in, leave it like cash. Yeah, let's go. Damn, tell me what you want. And I can't see it. I ain't talking shit long term. I just be the best so sexy. Still I got a groove bag. Oh man, couldn't move that. And she said the nightcaps, no cap for her man. She don't even let it fall ring. Throw with me in. Inside. Hey, oh, hey. Say you can't. Look, okay. Queen of the lesbians, might take your bitch, yeah, just a test it. Might take your bitch, just out the street. Let your ass got shit ready. When I'm on tour, she can be yours. When I touch that, she just be yours. And back when you don't test me, oh, recipe, say you can't. Now, if y'all thought y'all was crunk on that one, all I'm saying is, hold on. Damn. Yeah, you better not let it in. Yeah. I tell the beat, beat, beat. 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 I tell the beat, so. You got the bell when you get there. Damn, I try to beat it. Beat it when I beat it. Try to dash when I finish. Eat it up. I eat it up cause she missing. I ain't doing no kissing. The bitches being they feelin'. Hold up, 1, 2, 3, let go. Throw it up, fuck it up, go ahead and work. Which one of y'all wanna go first? Throw that good like now you a purse. Fuck that like burn up a bag. Touch so good, make it different. Good head with a little bit. This nigga a light, so he can smash. Don't talk your mouth so bad, nigga. Why not? Yeah. I said bye, ho. Damn. Damn. Hold on. Hit that TikTok. I'ma hit that TikTok. I'm trying to be, but I put a bump, but she makes me want to go under. I'm trying to go down. So I start wrong woman. Freaking the shit. She wanted to sit in some corner. I come and pick her water. Don't want to see ya. Damn, I said bye-bye, ho. Hold on. Yeah, just beat that. They just beat that on. Damn. Make sure y'all follow me on every motherfucking thing. Kueen D with a K, Kueen D. Thank y'all.
Oh shit! Oh, it's coming right now. It's all coming right now.
SongBirdWhite coming through, I'm about to drive you crazy. Can we take it to the go-go? Or can we take it to the go-go?